Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable mono sound in accessibility options in Realme 14 Pro phone, where to find it, how to turn it on, how to turn it off. So, first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then we are looking for accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to tap the accessibility option. Then we need to tap the hearing option. And here we have our mono audio, as you can see. So it's a simple toggle. We can turn it on or off. There are no hidden options nor menus here. We can force mono sound right here. Of course, as you can see, we have our channel volume balancing slider. We can move it to the left or right depending on our needs. And that's pretty much it. Goodbye.